Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to review a high-end luxury vegan brand called TOTE CARRY. So I'm going to let you know what I think in just a few minutes. I found this particular brand on Instagram while scrolling, and I've always been kind of interested, but I was like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and buy it. It's vegan. What are you wasting your time for? But this particular brand, it's all vegan. They like to promote eco-friendly, particular luxury luggage. So they offer everything from purses to backpacks to luggage and, you know, carry-on. So I ordered the cowbell backpack, and it comes in a box like this, TOTE CARRY. So let's open this thing on up. Fresh out the box. Ooh, oh my God, y'all, look at this. Travel with luxury. Look at this, travel with luxury. I love it. The presentation is everything. Oh my God. Attention. Look, you got it. You got all my attention. Ooh. As a special thank you, TOTE CARRY get $50 off your next. Do y'all see this? Looks like I'm gonna be buying another bag. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my. Look at the bag, y'all. Oh my God. This is so cute. Okay, let me just calm down. All right. All right, here we go. Oh, yes. Look at this. Y'all, this is so freaking cute. Oh, definitely rocking this all summer. Okay, here we go. So I'm opening it up. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit. Everything, you know, still in there, as you see. It's got the straps. Look at that. Favorite color, red. They knew what they were doing. Oh, and it's so soft. Oh my God, I can't wait to use it. So yeah, I just did a little unboxing. Look at this. Look how the appearance, the feel. This is such great quality. The appearance, man, I'm telling you, they nailed the marketing. You know, they're giving you advertisement to get some more stuff. Come on. I love it. So yeah, I just wanted to do an unboxing, show the straps, show what I got, show what I ordered. So I've been debating on buying stuff from them, and I was just like, I don't know, you know what? Let me support minority-owned company, and it's vegan. Why not? So yeah, they get a 10 out of 10 all the way through, all the way from the presentation. This bag here just to protect my purse, my backpack purse. Okay, it's beautiful. I'm gonna be rocking it. You can hold it like this. You can put it on the strap with the one arm, and when I install it, I ain't done it yet, but I'm in love. Oh my goodness. TOTE CARRY, y'all gonna get some more of my money. Just letting y'all know. So yeah, make sure y'all go buy something. TOTECARRY.com. Go check them out. I'll drop their Instagram in this video as well. Yeah, this is very nice. The quality, oh, I love it. 10 out of 10 across the board. Presentation, quality, y'all get my money. So I'm actually gonna take off all the packaging so you can see and get a little bit better look at how it looks without all this stuff all on it. So hold on, I'm about to get this thing on together while I'm struggling. So again, here are the straps. Do y'all see that? Look at that, TOTE CARRY. Vegan leather, come on. Look at that. TOTE CARRY. I love it. It's beautiful. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Go buy something right now. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.